Oh, here the guys, they are in the middle of planting here. Jared is just doing a little bit of brushing up on his sleepers. And Chris is there getting right down to action. Look at that with her knife. And you need a knife at Gardener's World with this soil, I can tell you. It's not gardening soil at Gardener's World. And then if we look over here, Dan is busy. He's made these doors, and you can see on the left hand side the restored, sorry, the ones not restored, the neglected, and the ones on the right he's just restoring. He's making some black pads there. There's going to be an acetate and there's going to be like a reflection on windows. Matt is busy doing a bit of filling. This is the last minute sort of, we've just got to do a bit of filling around, and where we've had to make the window just a fraction bigger. That'll get painted tomorrow, and that'll be really just a bit of touch up there. And then over here, Sophie and we have Ryan, and they are getting their corton steel planters ready. So they are digging out, and then this is going to be planted up permanently now. Nice bit of refreshing rain here at Gardener's World. They're doing a great job there, so that'll be all done, won't it? Let's go around the back. It's always around the back. All people are usually doing all sorts of jobs behind the scenes. I don't know who's out the back. We'll go and find out. Let's go around here. So at the back of a garden at the NEC, we have, obviously there's alliums, we've got agapanthus and beautiful Stipa gigantea. And you have your plants laid out. You've got some of your artifacts ready, which will be used to dress the garden at the end. And so they've got all these plants to choose from. They'll get lined up a bit neater and ready to go. And then this, of course, is the mess area. This is where everybody has their coffee and lunch and whatever. And here's Paula just coming with a nice orange, a refreshing orange. She's gone. And here we go. So that's a little tour. This is the back of the garden. Of course, this is the bit that isn't seen. And then we'll just go back round. Darren there, oh, he's just having a 5 minutes. We've been loading up, and so he's having 5 minutes there. And just caught him just right. And here's Colleen. Colleen's back. So Colleen's the designer. Let's go. Here they are. This is it. This is above my pay grade job. This is, look at this. Where's the coffee and gin and tonic gone? Oh yeah, I found him. No, I've got that. It's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. He's coming. We're sorted. We're sorted. And there we go. Let's just have a look one more time at the garden just at the moment. So, so we've been there. It's all pointed up now. They're just really look at this bit of detail here on the left that the students are working on. They've got putting on this left hand side where it's been, see the graffiti on the wall there, which Jared's put this graffiti on, and he spray painted that. And now they're just sort of old bottles and cans where it's been vandalized. And then you've got the planting. There is all sorts of things that are growing out of there, teasels, and we've got sort of Shasta daisies and things like that. There's all sorts of few echiums in there, one or two grasses and docks and digitalis and toadflax linearia, a bit of symphytum I can see down there. A bit of comfrey, that's the symphytum, by the way. Oh, okay, right. Sorry Jared.
I'm not good on the Latin name.
And then here we are, get another view just across here. And there's Anne. Oh, Anne must have missed me. Yeah, you must have been walking in front of me. Anne is our PR lady. She's our PR lady, so she's very rarely on anything. And so you can find out what's the PR. There we go. See, I told you she was. And what's the Tweety?
What's the Tweety? Oh, DC Show Gardens.
There you go, DC Show Gardens. If you want to find out more, Anne has been sort of keeping a log of that. Okay, there we go. This is one of our neighbours walking by. All done, really, all finished. Just feet up, nothing to do.